Hey all, it's Damira here. Welcome back to my channel if you've joined me before, and thanks for coming back. If you're new here, I hope that this is for you. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my fall National Coffee Day coffee bar. Before we get started, I encourage you to subscribe to the Millennial Farmhouse. I like to share cleaning videos, coffee bars, and seasonal decorating. As I've stated in my other videos, my goal this year was to decorate my coffee bar each month with a different theme, preferably for a holiday in that month. Now, it has been a little hard, especially over the summer, to figure out what holiday to decorate for, because there are a lot of national days, but not widely celebrated and recognized holidays. Now, in September, there are a few holidays, but it's also the start of fall, and so I wanted to do a fall coffee bar. But instead of decorating seasonally, I still wanted to keep that holiday theme going. And in September, it's National Coffee Day. So that's on Monday, September 29th. And I thought for this coffee bar that I'd add in my fall decor, but also some decor and items that just say coffee on it to enhance that National Coffee Day theme. As I often like to do, I tried to start with a blank coffee bar, so I did remove everything from the theme that was in August, and I am starting fresh. Now, I'm not going to do too much talking in this video, I just want to get into decorating and let the video play. But I do want to share that you'll see some pumpkin-inspired items, as well as items that say coffee on it, and then you'll also see a lot of latte-like items, and I felt that those blended really well to create a fall National Coffee Day coffee bar. I hope you guys like it. I did play around with decorating the second shelf a lot, but one thing I want to mention here is that I am adding in some coffee caramels. So something I always used to put on my coffee bar were little candies, usually the hard caramels that are coffee flavored, and this time I have the softer chews, but that is something that I want to bring back, is always having a little treat on my coffee bar. Now, these coffee caramels I did just pick up randomly from, I believe it was Home Sense or Home Goods, And I have to say that at first they were extremely bitter. It's like when you first taste dark chocolate and you're not used to it, but over time you just love it so much. And that's exactly how I felt about those coffee caramels. They were really bitter, really strong, but that coffee taste was amazing once I got used to it. And so I'm glad I added it in here. Next, you'll see that I am adding in some of my different latte mixes. Those I got from, again, HomeSense and HomeGoods. They're really good for having a little coffee section with just random items. You never know what you're going to find. And I always like to get little latte mixes from there. So I'm adding those in as well because I think they really go with the whole National Coffee Day coffee bar theme here. Finally, I decided to change the wall decor above my coffee bar just a smidge. I took down one picture and decided to put up this coffee decorative wood box, and it just has a picture of a latte and it says, "You had me at coffee." So again, that also goes with my National Coffee Day coffee bar theme. And of course, all of the pumpkin items you saw really enhanced the fall theme of this coffee bar. This is how my coffee bar turned out, and I am very pleased. That top shelf there has a French vanilla syrup. I usually have vanilla syrup on the coffee bar. And then I also have a vanilla caramel cream syrup. So I went with 2 syrups for the fall, and I think those give me the flavors I'm looking for during this season. I also added in my pumpkin cups, some decorative spoons. They're just little espresso spoons with leaf-like handles, and I thought that those were cute for fall as well. I really like the simplicity of this coffee bar. Now the orange gives it a great pop of color, but other than that, the coffee bar is simple, fairly elegant, and I think it was a great way to welcome in fall while also celebrating coffee itself. And on that second shelf, I do have latte-like candles. I got those from the at-home store, and those are also perfect for decorating in a coffee theme as well as a fall theme. And finally, on the little bin to the side of my actual coffee bar, I usually like to put some decor there too. I thought that that turned out great. One of my favorite decorative pieces on this little area though has to be the candle. It's actually called A Day at the Cafe. So I even have coffee candles on this coffee bar. Again, I'm so pleased with how it turned out. I hope you've liked it too, and if you have, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.